I will just show you a little something that comes on the XP wallet. It's a small bug, but it's nothing serious actually. Alright, so once you stake something and you go into XPBoost, then you don't see anything. So that's the issue actually. But the way to fix it is simply just to close the wallet and then open it back up again. So I'll go in downloads and then XP wallet latest. And now as you can see, if I click on XPBoost, I see my two inputs. So that's the way to fix it. So don't be scared, don't have to send it all again to yourself. All you need to do is restart the wallet and see the two inputs. And as you can see here, the balance right here is split up in two, because that's how it works. You send it all to yourself and then it splits in two, and then once this 301 million stakes, then it'll be split in between two inputs of 150 million and so on. Alright, so that's it for today's tutorial, and I will see you with another one pretty soon.